Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I have a very special unboxing video to share with you guys. This is a package from my buddy Mike. Do you guys know Mike? You might have seen him down in the comments over the last few months. But anyways, Mike has sent me something special in exchange for something special that I sent him. So I can't wait to find out what it is. Thanks so much to Mike for being absolutely dedicated in the face of unrelenting negativity from my own comment section. Let's find out what Mike sent in. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. I can't show the front because Mike's, his personal information there is on the front. This is a little heavy. What did you send me here, Mike? Hold on now. This is razor sharp, as you can tell. He sent a few things. Mike, come on now, Mike. There's a bunch of stuff in here. Hold on. We got more. We're getting spoiled. We're getting spoiled by Mike. Oh my gosh, look at all this. Hold on. Thank you, MC. I still can't believe you actually did it. That's great. Doesn't compare to what you made, but hey, listen, Mike, happy to do it. I want everybody to understand something. This is not like, I'm not like starting a trend. Like, you can't get down there and go from day, 0 to day 100 and expect me to do it. I did this because I thought that's kind of funny. And then people started being mean. People were being nasty. And I was like, whoa, like, he's not hurting anybody. Come on. It's just a joke. Like, he's clearly joking, right? And some people were being nasty about it. So I did my, I became the white knight. Anyways, what do we got here? We got the i3. This is one of my favorite flashlights, actually. This is brand new. Dude, you did not have to do this. This is so nice. Let's check this out. So I can never have enough of these. If you guys don't know, like, this is probably, honestly, I'm going to go ahead and just rip this off. It's a Christmas edition. Look at that. Oh, I love it. So the i3 series, I guess is what I'm saying. I use these constantly. I've got a bajillion flashlights all over my house. I don't think you can have enough. It's something strange that happens to people. I feel like mostly men, once we hit a certain age, we have to have like 8 flashlights in every room, and they all have to have their batteries regularly changed to recharged. I don't know what that is. That definitely happened to me. My dad was the same way. So I will use this. Thank you so much. Now, what do we have here? We got a Bestech knife. Look at this. Oh boy, it is a fun one. What is this one? I don't know that I've ever actually reviewed this. The Skirmish in detail. Look at that wacky blade. Fun. Cool. Actually, pretty great access there. I like that. It's enjoyable. Thank you so much. This has brought me joy, Mike. Thank you. And what do we have here? We have Petrified Fish. I haven't reviewed anything from Petrified Fish for a while. What he's doing here, he doesn't realize that he's given me extra content, which is more than I could ask for. Look at this. Wow, this is turning into a much better trade. Look at this awesome thing. We have a combination of G10 and carbon fiber. Yeah, I think so. Nice big old backstrap. Let's take a look here. Boy, God, I forget how nice a knife Petrified Fish actually makes. What do we got here? K110. This is actually really cool. So legitimately, I think it's high time I reviewed another Petrified Fish knife. It really is. Honestly, this is pretty cool. I like this a lot. Thank you, Mike. I appreciate that. Now, for the moment that everybody's been waiting for, really, the knife that I traded. Oh boy. You know what's funny? I don't have one of these currently. Hey, but for real, man, thank you. I'm actually really excited about this. I don't have a QSP Penguin currently in my collection. I think I've given away like 6 of these. So this does actually help out with future content. I realize I probably could have just bought one for $30, you know, but this was fun. This was like a fun thing that like the community joined in on, and everybody was like, what is this for real? Right. And yeah, it very much is. And I'll use this in the future, and everybody will henceforth remember this representing, you know, what happened with Mike, which is fun. I like to do fun things like that periodically. And while I won't do anything in the same theme, like basically people saying things 100 times and then I give it, I do like playing fun games with my community where somebody wins. Somebody actually wins something. As far as the next thing I'll do, it'll be a complete secret. And as far as how people can unlock that secret, I will keep that entirely hidden until somebody accidentally stumbles upon it. But again, it will not be repeatedly asking for something for 100 days. That sort of became its own game. And so that's fun, but I don't want to do that again. But I will use this. I will use it as an example. It's still one of the most recommendable knives under, honestly, under $40. What are these like still? They're like $32 or something like that. So really, the QSP Penguin is an absolutely phenomenal knife. I love it, and I was happy to trade. Absolutely. So we have the Petrified Fish. If I can find links for that guy, I'll link it down there. I imagine you can probably get that on Amazon. And then we have what I assume is the Bestech Skirmish. I don't think I have a review on this guy. Do I have a review on it? I honestly can't remember. It's just fun. Let's take a look at this. We got some forest green. I'm guessing Mike's the type of guy who likes green and black. I'm getting that vibe here. Maybe he owns a whole bunch of knives that are a similar color setup, you know. Nice pocket clip there. No mounting position for lefties. Darn it. Same thing with this guy. But, of course, we do have the QSP Penguin with the mounting positions on both sides. Seriously, if this is your first... what a weird video to watch for your first upload. If this is your first upload on this channel and you're wondering, where do I start? What's a good first knife? QSP Penguin. Like, it's hard. It's honestly hard to beat at $32. So we got these, and we got the lovely Christmas themed. Unfortunately, I shredded the box. I cavemaned that box. So that's, you know, rest in peace to the box, but that's okay. These are fantastic. Thank you so much to Mike. This was a fun exchange. I'm happy that you got something that you enjoy. That's going to be it today, guys. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.